Alright, so today we want to show you how to make a Southwest Brisket Omelet. Yeah, you heard that. A Southwest Brisket Omelet. Something different, huh? Alright, so check it out. The ingredients will be, of course, we got the brisket, which has been smoked for 7 hours. Got the cheese. Got some bell peppers, some onion. And we got 3 eggs. Alright, so let's begin stirring up all our eggs, and we'll add the seasoning, add everything all in this right here. Want to get it all together. And these eggs, man, I don't know what was going on with these eggs. Bell peppers going. Bell peppers going. Alright, so then we add the brisket. So we added our brisket, we'll let that cook real good. That's done. Got that done. There's steam coming up with this. Flip that thing over. Took a little while. Alright, so now we want to start adding all of our ingredients. Add all of our ingredients. Yep. Add all the cheese, the brisket, the bell peppers, the onion. Let's get this thing right. It's gonna be loaded up. Extra loaded, right? Yeah, load it up then. Try to cut the eggs off. Yeah, man, this one turned out pretty good. Flipped it over, it turned out pretty nice. All the ingredients is busting out. Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. I mean, about to eat this, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to Kiddie Cul-De-Sac, and check out our playlist, Cooking with Kiddie Cul-De-Sac. Yeah.